Okay, so today we're going to be breaking down the rhythm parts to Heaven and Hell by Black Sabbath. So with this song, it starts off with this main riff here. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm playing E, F sharp, G, then heading down to C, going to D for this. So I'm doing 2 palm mutes and then strumming. Then I go back to E, F sharp, G, but then I go up to E, I'm going to slide up, and then I'm going to come back to G, F sharp, and E. And you could slide those or pick them, you know, whatever's comfortable for you. So the whole thing sounds like this. And then I add this little, so it's the bass line, and it's actually like Paranoid, actually, kind of the same riff. And I'm not sure if the guitar actually does it or if just the bass does it, but I've always just played it, so I'm showing you what it is. So I'm going just 2 hammer-ons, 5-7 to 5-7. And you could either jump right back into your E chord and continue on, or just hit the 6th string. Yeah, well, sorry. And then continue on with your song. So anyway, that's what you do, and then you stop for the verse, the bass playing, bum, ba-da-dun, da-da-dun, sing me a song. We're not playing there. And then we come back in, so it's on and on, and on. And then we start this. So what we're doing there is this down, down, up, and I'm playing 9, 10, 7. And I'm doing that as a hammer-on, but you could pick them if you wanted to. And then what I'm doing is going to the 12th fret of the 2nd and 3rd strings there. And then back to, and this time I'm going to go 9, 10, 12. 2 palm mutes, and then 10, 9, 7. So it looks like this. And then I start all over. And then you hit that. Now, right here, there's like this keyboard stuff that comes in, and I've always just done some little harmonies there just to kind of fill space when we would do this live and we wouldn't have a keyboard player. So again, I'm going to show you what I would do here. So I'm playing with volume swells. So all I'm doing is I'm hammering down onto the string, and then I'm bringing my volume up. And then adding a little vibrato. So I'm playing 8, 7, 8, 10 on that string. And then on the 3rd string, I'd play 9, 7, 9, 7. Okay, so if I played them together, I could play them together by actually using 2 different fingers. Takes a little practice, but then of course if you add some, you know, big reverb and delay and that sort of thing, it actually sounds really cool. But just feeling that space there where there'd just be the bass playing and then there's that keyboard stuff going. And then we're back again into on and on, on and on. All that stuff. Then we move into this kind of unique chord progression here where it's going to go A minor to D, to D minor, to C, to G, to D, to A, and then I end with the. So I'm kind of following the toms and the kick drum at that point. And then we come out of that, we're back on the all that stuff again. And then we end right before the solo. We go, it goes on and on, on and on and on and on and on. So it's C, D, E. It's just double time there. Okay? Then we move into the solo, and the solo's just jamming in E minor. For me, anyway. And then we come out of the solo into... so we do an E to G. And then we go into the kind of similar to what we did before we went into the solo. A minor to D, to D minor, to C, but then you go right to E. And that's when the drums kick in double time. And then you come into this so you're doing E, and then G with F sharp in the bass. So I'm playing 9 and 12, I'm sorry. And then I just move that up to 10, and then to 12. So I've got E, 9 and 12, 10 and 12, and then A. And I also do a lower one, same exact thing, 1 octave lower. And then when Ronnie James Dio starts singing, so I'm doing the same chords. I'm just palm muting in between. It's heaven and hell. So then you go to E, then that G with F sharp, and then that's it. Then you go back. Say that black is really white. Moon is just a sun at night. Then back again. Fools. And you just keep doing that. And again, I don't palm mute all of those. I usually only palm mute a couple of them, and then I'm just bashing. Then end on E, and that is the rhythm for your song. Hey, thank you so much for watching. I want to take a minute to let you know about the GuitarZoom Academy, which gives you one-on-one access to a professional guitar instructor to help you define your goals and develop a clear path on how to accomplish them. To learn more about the Academy and how it works, go to guitarzoom.com/academy or check out the link in the description. Thank you so much.